Chronic energy deficiency and associated factors among lactating mothers, 1549 years old, in Offa Woreda, Wolayita zone, SNNPRs, Ethiopia. This article is written by 6 authors. First author Wolayita. Second author Abi Haile. Third author Girma Ayana. Fourth author Solomon Eshitu. Fifth author Deficiency Kunch. Last author Sai Asfa. The lactating mothers in developing countries like Ethiopia are the first targeted and nutritionally vulnerable groups to undernutrition due to different socio-demographic factors which influence the health and well-being of mothers and children. During lactation periods, mothers need more nutritious food than the rest of the household members. The aim of this study was to determine the nutritional status, associated factors and dietary diversity of lactating mothers 1549 years old in Offa Woreda. A cross-sectional community-based study was carried out to determine the chronic energy deficiency of lactating mothers in the studied Woreda. The lactating mothers were randomly selected from 4 rural and 2 urban kibbles. A total of 422 households were visited and the required data were collected as scheduled in all selected kibbles. The prevalence of undernutrition among the lactating mothers in the studied area was determined using BMI by anthropometric measurements and the blood sample test for hemoglobin, HB, concentration was done using HemOQ methods. The collected data were analyzed using Stata version 14.2 software. Among the participated lactating mothers, the values 15.8%, 74.2%, 8.3% and 1.7% were obtained for underweight, normal, overweight and obese and their BMI, kg/m2, respectively. The studied participants of 15.8% were in chronic energy deficiency according to WHO guidelines. The lactating mothers' percentage value 36.4%, 59.3%, 4.3% were in age group of 15-24, 25-34 and 35-49 years, respectively. The blood test shows that among the lactating mothers 11.4% were found anemic which had got hemoglobin level less than normal level, 12 grams/dl. The daily dietary diversity intake per day of lactating mothers was classified as high, 5 DDS 1.2%, medium, 4-5 DDS 50.7% and low, 3 DDS 47.4% among the 9 food groups recommended for Women Dietary Diversity Score, WDDS. The independent variables, education, family size, marital status and occupation were significantly associated with nutritional status of the lactating mothers at P0.05. In conclusion, the majority of the lactating women in the study area had normal BMI. The researchers would like to recommend that the government and development agencies should focus on the risk factors identified, to ensure better health and nutrition for lactating mothers in this Woreda. Thanks for watching this abstract video of World Scientific Research Volume 5 Issue Number 1 published by Asian Online Journal Publishing Group.